In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a number to text in Excel. Converting numbers to text is handy when you're working with item codes, IDs with leading zeros, or you need to export data exactly as it appears without Excel changing the format. I'll show you two reliable ways using simple formulas, and I'll point out what each method does so you can choose the best one for your worksheet. First, use the text function. Click an empty cell next to your number, then type equals text, open parenthesis, A1, comma, quotation mark, 0, quotation mark, close parenthesis. It looks like this. Equals text, A1, stars. Press enter, then copy the formula down for the rest of your list. This converts the value in A1 into a text string using the format you specify. With 0 as the format, Excel returns just the digits, with no commas or currency symbols. Keep in mind that 0 also rounds decimals, so 12.34 would become 12. If you need decimals preserved, change the format inside the quotes, for example 0.00 to keep 2 decimal places. And if you need leading zeros, set the exact width like 0 to force 5 digits. The big advantage of text is control. Whatever you put in the format string is exactly how the text will look, regardless of the original cell's number formatting. Second, use a quick concatenation trick. In a blank cell, type A1 and A. Press enter and fill down. By adding an empty string, you nudge Excel to treat the result as text. This method is fast and simple. However, it ignores the cell's number formatting. That means if A1 is displayed as 00123 using a custom format, this formula will return 123 without the leading zeros. If the number shows 1,000 separators like 12,345, you'll get 12345 with no comma. Use this approach when you just need the raw value turned into text with no special display rules. After converting, remember these results are text. They'll align like text and won't behave as numbers in math formulas. To keep your calculations intact, consider leaving the original numeric column as is and using the new text column for exporting lookups that require text or preserving IDs. When you're finished, you can lock in the results by copying the formula cells and pasting values so they remain as plain text. That's it. Two simple ways to convert numbers to text in Excel with confidence.